Hello. Tonight on Hugh, I'm going to show you how I use my tomato knife. Now, I never knew there was such a thing till I was, what was I doing? Probably looking on Amazon or something. And then they had these made in Germany, I think it's a Wusthof tomato knives. So it's got that fork on the front. I'll show you how I use that. Okay, now this part is actually pretty slick. Poke it in, poke it in, poke it in. Look at that. Easier and safer than any other way that I've done it. Then here we go. Tomato knife. Who knew? Can you see that thumb? You can. Out.